Go.
Max! Max! How to do a professional tornado kick. Now keep in mind, this video is not for people who are barely learning to do this kick. If you're barely learning this kick, learn this kick first and then come back and see this video. Now, the mistake I see a lot of people do, including all these YouTubers, including Scott Adkins, when they do tornado kick, they do it in 2 steps, like babies, like 1, 2, 3. You will see them doing it fast, but they'll do those 2 steps, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and watch Scott Adkins do it. I'll link it in the description below. He goes 1, 2, 3. That's amateur. If you want your opponent to think that you might be doing a back kick or a spinning kick, then you cannot be doing those 2 steps first. You cannot be going 1, 2. By then, the person that you're kicking, if he's professional, he knows you're gonna do a fucking amateur tornado kick. For example, if someone does that to me, if someone comes to me like this, right? And I'm here, what do? I already know it's coming, so I might even lean forward. So he thinks my head is here. Kick is coming here. When I see the kick is coming, he thinks he's gonna get me still. I'll just let him miss. He ends up in this position, and with the head exposed, at that moment, when his head is passing here, I'll just straight up go, battle! And knock him the fuck out. Just like that. So that's why it's dangerous to do it in 2 steps. You gotta do it in 1 time. So how do you do that? You're here. Get more, throw it more like you wanna end up in a double spin or something. You just throw it. Keep in mind, don't kick too early. You're throwing it like this, but don't kick too early. Don't kick until your knee is here. So still the same principle applies to doing it like a beginner. You do wanna end up here before you kick. So here it goes one more time. I want you to do it a little slower so you guys can catch it. That was slower so you guys could catch it. That's pretty much it. You want to spin like you're doing a wheel kick. And as soon as you're over here, then you jump and bring the other leg around. A lot of people try to do it this way and they get it wrong, and it looks like this. They kick too early and it looks like a fucking front kick. It's not a front kick. The kick starts here. So knee up here, then you kick. Knee, right? One more time. Knee, kick. 2 times your knee. Knee, kick. And here it goes one more time fast. Bam! Bow! So next video, guys. Catch you later. That's it, dude. Got it.